What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to fix earphones not working on laptop for Windows 11 or 10. First, go to your search bar and type Settings. Look for Privacy and Security, then click on it. Scroll down to Apps Permissions and click on the microphone. Toggle on the button to allow apps to access your microphone. After that, go to your search bar again and type Services, then open it. In here, search for Performance, Logs, and Alerts. Then double-click on it. On the startup type, change it to Automatic and click Start under the Service Status. Then click Apply below and then OK. After doing that, close the window, then go back to Settings. In the Settings, click on the System and look for About and open it. In here, look for the Advanced System and click it. Click on the Hardware section. Then click on the Device Installation Settings. In the pop-up, select No and click on the Save Changes. Then OK. After that, close the window and go to search bar again and type Device Manager. Once you're in the Device Manager, expand on the Sound, Video, and Game controllers. Right-click here on this one, then select Update Driver. Now choose the first option. After that, close it, and then right-click again and choose Update Driver. For this one, let's click on the second option and click this one. Then next, click this audio device model and click Next below. Now for the last step, go to your search bar again and search for Troubleshoot Settings. Then open it. Now click on the additional troubleshooters or other troubleshooters. In here, click on the playing audio and select Run Troubleshooter. Simply wait for it to finish detecting the problems and follow the on-screen instructions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.